Well, I hope you guys really love these video tours that we've been doing of other people's gardens on the weekends. I can't tell you how much I enjoy it, and I so appreciate you sharing your work with all of us. It's so fun for me to see different parts of the country and different parts of the world. And speaking of different parts of the world, this one I am so excited to present to you. This is my friend Karolina in her Scandinavian garden. It is probably one of the most influential gardens, at least for me, I have ever seen. It is simply magnificent. She has a wonderful Instagram presence, and she is now starting a YouTube channel, and we'll make sure to put links to both of those at the end and in the description. But Karolina's garden it's just fabulous. I think it's one of the reasons I have such an obsession with using pots in my garden and pots in moss. And so you'll really want to make sure that you have a notepad handy and a pen handy, because I promise you, you're going to have so many tips to take down, to steal from her, and then take them away to your own garden that you're going to want to make sure to record them. We're doing this one in 2 different parts. It's that spectacular. And as wonderful as the first part is, I promise you guys, the second part is even more spectacular. So please take a look at Karolina's garden-inspired life and her beautiful gardens.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my garden. My name is Karolina, and I live here at Länsmansgården, which is the name of our house and garden. We are located in a small town called Dalby, which is close to the university city of Lund, in the south of Sweden. Some weeks ago, Linda invited me to do a garden tour and show my garden on her YouTube channel. I was so excited because until last week I only had Instagram, where I am called Karolina Länsmansgården, as my social media. But last week I also got myself a YouTube channel. Isn't that exciting? Well, on YouTube I'm called Karolina på Länsmansgården. So far I've only done Swedish videos, but perhaps if you're interested I will do English videos as well later on. We'll see. But now we are going on a garden tour. That's what I have promised, so come along. Now I'm standing in the street just outside our house, Länsmansgården. We bought this house in 2014, and after an extensive renovation we moved in February 2015. I live here together with my husband, Anders, and our 4 children, Johanna, Ellen, Oscar and Agnes. We also have a Labradoodle, 1-year-old girl called Flisan. In the autumn of 2015 we started to work on the garden, and this is how it looked before we started the garden project. I'm a garden designer working with my own company, and this garden is not only a place for us in the family, but also a garden where I can meet customers and have garden courses. You can say that I got the inspiration for the garden from England. I love old English gardens, and that's why we have so many yew hedges all over the place. I also love roses, all kind of roses and flowers as well, and you will see that while we're taking the tour around. When we moved in, there was not much of a garden here, and the only plants that are left from then are the 2 apple trees that you can see here on the lawn. They are old trees. They are left from before. Here you see the hedges. We have planted them a few years ago. Then we go down to the gravel path. Here we see a rose called Oliva rose. And I show you, now we stand along the wall and the street, and here we have a lot of shrubs. They are left from before. Otherwise, almost all plants we have planted here, me and my husband. And we go on here along the path. It's autumn and most of the flowers have gone over. There are some rudbeckias left here, but it's sad, I think. Here we have a patio and a sitting area. And over here we have a late summer border, which is overbloomed at the moment. You see some rudbeckias. This is white swan, I think. And this is another good one called Magnus, but it's overbloomed. Here we have a woodland. I go back again so that you can see. We move on up to the shed. Here you can see some of my containers. These are baskets. I grow a lot of the plants in containers. I will go this way so that you can see. All these are pots. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I completely love pots and containers. And this Coleus is so very beautiful. And this grass is also a very nice one. It's a Pennisetum. Here we have a lot of more containers along the house. And we go on. Here we have another patio where we usually sit in springtime. It's warm here, close to the house. And you see we have roses and lavender along the house. Here we have a dahlia called Edison. It's a decorative dahlia, I think. And we also have lots of small hedges. Here you see a boxwood hedge. We also have yew as small hedges. And now we come to the entrance. Here we have the largest container garden at Länsmansgården. And now we have an autumn display. I will show you. You see heather and chrysanthemum and heucheras and the skimmias as well. And some grass. I love pink, a favorite color of mine. So and we will look at the circle border as well. We go down here. Here you see a lot of dahlias, and this is Cobaea Scandens. A lovely plant, I think. Climber. Not hardy here, so I have to plant these flowers every year. Here you see the dahlias, dark red and apricot tones this year. Lot of dahlias. This is dark spirit you see here, and the large dark red is blackjack. This is dark spirit, and we have Babylon bronze here, a dinner plate dahlia, and we have Jowey Winnie, who is it's apricot colored here. Now we are going towards the backyard, so come on with me and I show you. You see the container gardens from another angle when we are passing. Nice, isn't it? Nice way to grow plants in containers, I think. Now we go here, and we have a quick look here to our dining area, and we also have an outdoor kitchen. Very popular. We like it very much. It's quite new. More containers, and this is an old tree from the beginning. It was here when we moved in. We go to the back side of the house. Here we have some dahlias. And now we are going in this direction. Lots of hydrangeas. These are called Annabelle. Incredible. And then we have this new building, a new conservatory. It's fantastic, I think. And we have a pool with fish. We started to build this new backyard 2 years ago, so everything is new here. It was just grass before. Now we have a spa area and a dining area, and we have a conservatory. We will take a quick look in here. I show you. I grow a lot of plants in here, and we also have a fireplace, which you can see in the background. So we use this room much. We go on out again. And pass the pool again. A large olive tree here. And now we are going to the kitchen garden. I cleaned it yesterday because it was rather messy. I will show you a quick look. Here we have cultivation boxes, and we grow kale and fennel and yeah, lots of things here. Ah, the neighbor's dog is out. And then I have this planting table as well. Now we're almost done in this garden tour. More dahlias. Thank you for joining me on this garden tour. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more of me and my flowers, you can follow me on Instagram, Karolina Landsmansgarden, or you can go to the YouTube channel of mine called Karolina på Länsmansgården. I hope I see you there. And once again, Linda, thank you so much for asking me doing this garden tour. Bye bye!